Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a 5 review unboxings of certain pieces, which are G-Shocks, that were released in 2014. Now chit chat, let's take a look at the very first released in the year. Alrighty, so starting with GDX, released on February 4, 2014. Here you go, and this is a GDX GDX 6900 TC-5. It's part of the Camo series, and this one is gold and silver buttons. Cool gold display, yes, if I do say so myself. And let's see here. It does have the splits. World time. You got yourself stopwatch. My favorite, the timer. Alarms. 1, 2, snooze, signal. Back to alarm 1. And home time. And for the stopwatch, yes, it does the split. And then you can erase that. And it has the LED EL backlight. Rad. Let's take a look at the back, shall we? And it is a pretty big one. Like the 6900s, these are very big, and these are camo, very big, and they have these buttons that are like gridiron ion plating, camo feet, the camo straps, the bezel, like letterings all around, silver screws, Casio Japan on the buckle, module 3420, amazing gold display. Okay, one more look to view at it before going on to the next one. No more wouldn't hurt. There we go. Alrighty, on to the next one. Alrighty, so the next one was released on the summer of 2014, July 31st. So here you go. And this is DW 6900 GD-9, module 3220. EL backlight and gold buttons, screws, or is it silver or gold? No, silver buttons. We got gold screws, a little bit on the clear keepers. Casio chime on the buckle. Hmm. 3230. The back plate, admire it. Pause that. Okay. Get your alarm. That's what you're gonna get, folks. The top. Okay, alarm, timer, stopwatch. Does the split. And it's definitely a mirror face version. Yeah, so that's all you're gonna get, folks. folks, on to the next one. Just a view of it before going on. On to the next one. Alright, the next one that you're going to see was released around August of 2014, and it's this one. And this is a very large bull bar, yes, if I do say so myself, and it's a different look of a watch. Very state-of-the-art, yes. Very loose, not elusive, but it definitely a very big feel of the watch. So yeah. See the buckle, Casio China. These are pretty big straps with no numbers. Oh, this is a GD. Let's see, what's the size of this thing? What's the details? GD 400. So this is gonna be a -1, I believe. So yeah, gold bull bars, gold display, amazing LED, crazy gridiron buttons. I don't think they're gridiron. These are like very good keepers. Alarm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snooze. Alarm off. That's it. Okay. Personal favorite, the timer with the seconds. You got the indicators right there. Hold on a second. Stopwatch. And it can do the split, and you can unsplit it. And then that's all. And you can see the timer counting down, yes. And while it's counting down, the seconds is counting like this, and then it goes back to there. It starts a new one. So yeah, and these would indicate also you got alarm, signal, and mute. So this is how it's state-of-the-art with new G-Shocks at the time. So yeah, and the iconic backplay definitely has a feel of the 6900s. That's the only thing you could see from those. Okie dokie. On to the next one. One last view before moving on. On to the next one. Alrighty, folks. The next one was released in the summer of 2014, and here you go, folks. This here is the Love, the Sea, and the Earth. 2014. RangeMan. Module number 9400 K-8JR. Module number 3410. So it comes out like an outer sleeve. Hold on. Okay, if you flatten this, here's the half of it. Oh yeah. Change the world yourself. G-Shock. Same thing here. And here's a full-on view. Love the Sea and the Earth. Okay. Outer slip. Here it is. Close it carefully, folks. Japanese manual booklet. Then I'm going to take that out. Here it is itself in all its glory. Red letterings, black letterings, a little bit of colors of the pinkish red. At the end of this video, you're going to see this. Plastic keeper. Let's see what's on the buckle. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on a second, dudes. Casio Japan on the buckle. And of course, the back. Before I show you this, this is how much it was when it came out. Now it's a bit rare now. That's Japanese young, 50,000 Japanese young, and here's the capability of the RangeMan. Okay. Oh yeah. We got one thing. RangeMan Multiband 6. Oh, underneath here it says change the world yourself. That's what it is. Now you can see the back plate. Hold on, just make sure I'm not getting anything bothering me at this angle. Pause that very, very carefully, boys and girls, dudes and dudettes of the world. And you can see like jelly feel on the red on the band. This has definitely got a carbon fiber feel on the back, but it doesn't say carbon fiber. So yeah. Again, this was the summer of 2014. This was released. Make sure this. I gotta slide this back. Oh boy. So yeah, one more view of this. Alrighty, folks, on to the next one. Now, on to the next one. Alrighty, so this next one will be the last of 2014, and it was released on Halloween, October 31st, 2014. And is this one. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Show it right in front of you. The MTG. And which version am I talking about here? No, 2013 was the beginning of the MTG era. Yes. Slide it up. A little sticky note to not get confused with any other design, of course. Comes with a warranty card there and a manual, protected well, as well as the Master of Jesus, how they're boxed in. Let me just move this, and I can show you from there. And look at that. MTG, folks. Silver letterings, red letterings. A lot. You guys hear that zzz? Yeah, it's been in the box. I take it once a month. Oh, fudge. Right. Yeah, I've been taking it out here and there. I wore it once, but I never beat the crap out of this watch. And here's the links. You see that? It can handle temperatures. So yeah, very extreme careful. Okay, and it comes with a tag. Whoa, and this is the MTG S1000 BD5A. And then, whoa. this MTG in the box. Okay. Put this on the watch, protected well. Okay, so nice protected bag. No, what do you call it? Lighting on this. So let's take a look in this one. I'll just remove here. It is a big watch. Alright, I'm positive. Hold on a second. Let me get my trusty caterpillar. Caliber, that is. Okay, so this is it, the rose gold version of the MTG. And you can see right there around there, in a second. You can see around here is where the continents are. I can tell this is Tokyo, Hong Kong. I can't even tell. I know NYC for New York, Denver, London, Paris, Athens, I believe. If anybody knows the rest of these, let me know. Okay, so with the functionalities, of course, that you've already know about, you've seen the 30th anniversary talking about the MTG, about smart access by the electronic crown. Okay, daylight savings, timer, alarm, and the day of day of the week, obviously. Okay, and let me be clear, that's not the correct date. My God. And also, you have to push in, and when you're about to push out, you can listen to this. That is smart access, folks. Okay, so what am I doing here? It is kind of difficult at times with the MTG. So yeah, and you push it back. I know if this is where it's the smart access and here. Okay, let's use my trusty caterpillar to measure the size of this year watch. Okay. So with that, so the width with the crown guards and everything. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the size is about 50.3 millimeters. And the tips, top to bottom, from this angle to here is about, hold on. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold this very steady. Yep. Oh yeah. Takes time to make sure you're putting this in the right position. Okay, hold on. Okay, so lug tip to lug tip is about 47.8 millimeters. The sandwich dial, how you put the word. The sandwich dial, hold on. This is getting crazy. 15.2 millimeters. So yeah, sapphire crystal, and it has alpha gel, just like the MTG from 2013. See how it looks on my wrist, because it fits me good. Yeah, and it is a pretty big watch. No lie about that, folks. So yeah, all in all, great watch. It is tough solar, and it can withstand hot and cold weather. And gotta show you the buckle. Silly me. Heck, gotta show you the buckle. Here it is, and you can open these. Multiband 6. Module number is 50. Huh. Let me look at it closely. 5369. 5369 is the module number on this watch. Very, very well. Very, very cool. All right. So with all that out of the way, folks. Make sure this is safe and sound. So with all that, let's play music to represent 2014 with these two watches. So yeah, I got a pretty big wrist. Pretty big man-sized wrist. Okay. So yeah, enough with all the details and stuff. Time to play the music. Alright folks, so well out of the way, let's play a song from 2014 with the hit song by J. Cole, Role Models. Enjoy, folks. That was J. Cole with no role models. So yeah, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, you got any opinions, comments down below. And always appreciate the thumbs ups. And I'm often in the YouTube community. I'm in the YouTube community, and I often post what time I post the videos or early links for any pre-order videos before I start announcing them, as well as some other things to come. So yeah, what are you planning for Christmas? Whatever it is, it must be awesome. So yeah, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, TCF, also to the video game collectors, the physical media collectors, toy collectors, all you collectors out there. And also, oh, not much to say or anything. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later. And happy 40th anniversary to G-Shock.